Today we're diving into the extraordinary power of kindness and how the simple act of helping others can create a ripple effect that transforms not just their lives, but ours as well. Imagine a world where kindness is our currency and compassion fuels our interactions. It's not a distant dream. It starts with us, with you and me, embracing the beauty of kindness. Let's explore how engaging in acts of kindness can be a game changer for our mindset. Let's talk about oxytocin, often referred to as the love hormone or the bonding hormone. When we engage in acts of kindness, our bodies release oxytocin, creating a cascade of positive effects. This incredible hormone not only promotes feelings of love and connection, but also has a profound impact on our overall well-being. Oxytocin has the remarkable ability to reduce stress and anxiety, promote a sense of trust and bonding, and even alleviate physical pain. So when we say kindness is a powerful force, we're not just speaking metaphorically, it's a biochemical reality. So now let's explore how these profound acts of kindness impacts on our lives and the lives of those around us. Number 1, small acts. You don't need grand gestures to make a difference. Small acts can create profound impacts. Something as simple as a warm smile to a stranger, offering a genuine compliment, holding the door for someone, lending a listening ear, writing a heartfelt note, or expressing gratitude can brighten someone's days. Remember, it's the consistency of these small acts that builds the foundation for a positive mindset. So let's make kindness a daily habit. Number 2, empathy. Empathy is the key to creating a genuine connection. Put yourself in someone else's shoes and you'll find endless opportunities to lend a helping hand. Whether it's a friend going through a tough time or a stranger in need, be the person who makes a positive difference. By fostering genuine connections through empathy, we not only enrich the lives of others, but also create a network of support that contributes to our positive mindset. Number 3, engage in community service or volunteering. Engaging in community service or volunteering is a powerful way to contribute to a positive mindset. It not only allows us to make a meaningful impact on a large scale, but also provides a sense of purpose and fulfillment. Whether it's donating your time at a local charity, participating in community cleanup, or supporting a cause you believe in, the act in giving back has a profound effect on our mindset. Remember that the power to create a positive mindset lies within each of us. Embrace the joy of helping others and watch as the ripple of kindness transforms your world and the world around you. So, as the positive mindset coach, I ask, as you go on your journey into the world of kindness, remember that the power to create a positive mindset lies within each of us. Embrace the joy of helping others and watch as the ripple of kindness transforms your world and the world around you. Go out there, be kind, and let the positive mindset revolution begin with you. Together we can create a world where kindness is the currency of the heart. Stay positive, stay kind, and let the ripple effect begin. Thank you. Please subscribe, like, and comment so that we can grow this channel together. Sending you positive and healing thoughts. Love and light to you all.